Hi guys, this is Pashupati. In this video, we'll be talking about basics of Python. We'll try to understand what are the different data types supported in Python and how do we create or declare variables in Python. First thing, like to understand what are the different data types in Python, we have integer, string, float, and complex number type of data types. So integer are nothing but variable where it's going to support only the integer numbers, whether it is -1, 0, 2, 3. You can like -1, 2, 3, 4. These are the values which are supported in integers. String are nothing but anything inside the inverted commas. If you are declaring any values inside the inverted commas will be considered as string. And float are nothing but float are the one where you are providing any decimal values. So any decimal values if you are trying to store, that would be considered as float data type. You might have observed in other programming languages we have float and double, two different data types for storing the decimal values, but in Python everything would be considered as float. Complex number are nothing but if you want to store any exponential values, then you can store them in the form of complex number. So these are the different data types what Python supports. Let's try to understand how to declare the variables and how we are going to store the value. So let's go back to Python to understand how we are going to. In Python, we are not going to tell what type of data type we are going to create. Like to create any variable, we are just going to give a simple name for that, like value, and then we are going to assign the value. So at the runtime, when the program runs at the runtime, it's going to decide what type of variable this data type is of. So if the value what you are assigning is the integer number, then it will be considered as integer type of variable. If the same variable is used to store any string values which is inside the double inverted commas, then it would consider that as string type. Again, the same variable, if you are trying to store it as decimal, then it would be considered it as a float type. When I try to print value, the last updated value will be printed, that is 20.03. So this is how we will be declaring the variables in Python, and these are the different data types as we discussed: float, integer, and string, and complex number are the different data types what it supports. I hope this session was informative, guys. Thank you for watching the video.